Hello, my name is Chad Netwig. This is for Project 2 for the SDN-Based Stateless Firewall project. This is for evaluation 1 and 2 for now. We're creating the topology and showing the interface assignments, and I'll go ahead and load the Mininet-based topology with the 4 container host and the controllers. I use a script here, Python script. It's showing the 2 controllers here, remote controllers using OVS switch. Remote controller is going to be the POX controllers. There's the IP assignments that should satisfy the evaluation point 2. Here's the links that should satisfy the evaluation point 1. So I'm going to first launch the POX remote controllers here. This one's on port 6655, and this one's on 6653. And I'm going to go ahead and run the script. Okay, so the current, I'm just going to do this in steps where I'm just going to add one rule at a time just to show the behavior for the firewall. Here's the L3 firewall config that's showing the first rule here, which is from host 1 to host 3. This is blocking the ICMP traffic. This is for evaluation number 3 here. So I'm going to go ahead and that's the one that's active now. I'm going to go ahead and show first the structure of the setup, the topology. So there's 2 controllers, 4 hosts, and 1 switch. Here's showing the Docker containers and the respective IP assignments. The OVS switch is on the loopback address there. And we got the remote controllers, C0 and C1. And let's see. There's the links, and that's what the network looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and do the eval point 3 on a ping all. So what we should see is host a bidirectional blocking on ICMP between host 1 and 3. You see here that host 1 cannot reach 3 and host 3 cannot reach 1 when we're on the pinging here. So that's it for evaluation points 1 through 3. I'm going to go ahead and add the next rule on the i3 config file. Okay, so this is blocking, this is evaluation point 4, blocking ICMP traffic from .20 to .40 host 2 to host 4. So we'll see that here. Two cannot get to 4 here, and 4 cannot get to 2 here. So we have that bidirectional blocking. Also, this is what's active right now. And down here is the showing the Docker containers for the hosts. Okay, so this is for eval point 5, where there's blocking from source .20, which is host 2, blocking HTTP traffic port 80. So on this one I have a xterm running on H1 HTTP server on port 80. I'm going to attempt a telnet to it. So we can see that is not connecting. However, from say 3, host 3, I get a connection there. Okay, so this is evaluation number 6. This is MAC level 2 data link layer blocking from host 2 to 4. Here's the rule here. So I have 2 xterms open, so I'm going to do a UDP test and also a TCP test on port 8080. So let me first do the netcast over here on 4, and we'll send a hello to it. We see that that is not going through. So let's do the HTTP server on 8080 and try to connect the telnet over here on host 2. Okay, so we're not getting through. Okay, this is eval point 7 here. Back to the i3 config. Here is the rule blocking any ports on TCP from H1 to H2. So what I'm going to do over on H2 here on xterm is I'm going to open 100 TCP ports here. and then I'm going to issue an nmap command to scan. So all of them are filtered. Okay, so this is the last evaluation point at number 8. We're doing the i3config file again. This is to block UDP traffic from host 1 to 2. So what I'm going to do over on host 2 is set up a netcast on port 60 UDP. Over here on host 1, I'm going to echo to it. So you can see that's it's not going through. Thank you. That completes the evaluation part of the SDN-Based Stateless Firewall project.